So, well, now here in this lecture, I'm going to talk about it's a very small lecture on kinetic energy, and I want to express kinetic energy in terms of generalized velocity. As we know that kinetic energy is simply half mv square, and it is generally represented by T in mechanics. So it is simply half mv square here. M is the mass and velocity. V is the velocity of the particle. So I want to express this kinetic energy in terms of generalized velocity. So for this, let us consider a system containing if n particles, and let Ri be the position vector or the coordinate of the ith particle. It is the coordinate of ith particle. So let q1, q2, and so on, qn, these are the generalized coordinates as I discussed earlier. So that means this Ri, it can be written as Ri, and it is depending upon generalized coordinates q3 and so on, qn. Also, we know that Ri is equal to summation over j, and j varies from 1 to n, curly Ri curly qj into qj dot, right? That means it is a time derivative of this q j, because dot represents time derivative. And if we expand it, as I know that kinetic energy is half mv square, so it is half mr dot square. So that means, keeping this in mind, let me try to find out it's a square. So Ri dot square is equal to Ri dot Ri, and it can be written as curly Ri. Let me expand this, and if I expand this, it can be written as curly Ri curly q1 dot curly Ri curly q2 dot, plus and so on, curly Ri curly qn and qn dot. This is the value of this, and now I will take its dot product with itself, so it can be written as into curly Ri curly q1 dot plus curly Ri curly q2 dot, plus and so on, curly Ri curly qn and qn dot. And if I open this bracket, then means this part is multiplied with every term. So it can be written as curly Ri over curly q1 dot into curly Ri curly q1 into q1 dot, plus this multiplied with it, so it is curly Ri curly q1 dot into curly Ri curly q2 and q2 dot, plus and so on, plus curly Ri curly q1 dot into curly Ri curly qn and qn dot, right? Similarly, this second term is multiplied with every term, and this 10th term is also multiplied with every term. So let us do little more algebra. So if I do this, it can be written as curly Ri curly q2 dot into curly Ri curly q2 and q2 dot. Sorry, not q2, what it's q1 and q1 dot curly ri curly q2 dot curly ri curly q2 and q2 dot plus curly and so on plus curly ri curly q2 dot and curly ri curly qn and qn dot and so on, and plus it is curly ri curly qn and qn dot plus into curly ri curly q1 and q1 dot, it is I, and plus curly ri curly qn dot curly ri curly ri over curly q2 and q2 dot plus and so on plus curly ri curly qn dot into curly ri curly qn and qn dot, right? So in the form of summation, we can rewrite down this product as so it is here it is curly r I over curly qj and it is qj dot, and this is different, this second term is different, so it is, I can write down it is curly ri over curly qk and qk dot, it gets multiplied, and it can be written like this. That is, first of all, I will take summation over this is one summation and this is another summation, and here summation over j varies from 1 to n and k varies from 1 to n. So if I do this way, so that these all terms can be written in the form of a summation. And this can also be written as summation j varies from 1 to n curly ri over curly qj and qj dot. This is one term, and another term can be written as curly r over curly qk, and summation k varies from 1 to n. So I can write down or express this in this way. And let me readjust these terms. So say it is curly ri over curly qj and curly ri over curly qk, qj dot and qk dot, and then I will take double summation k varies from 1 to n and summation j varies from 1 to n. So if I open these, then these all the terms can be obtained. Now let me write down the kinetic energy now, because I have obtained ri dot square, and this can be written in this way. So kinetic energy is equal to 1 by 2 and summation n by I varies from 1 to n and mivi square, or it can be written as summation mi over ri dot square, and the value of this ri dot square is this one. So if I put its value from here to here, and then this kinetic energy will become, this kinetic energy is equal to 1 by 2 mi, and summation I varies from 1 to n, and summation j is equal to 1 to n, and summation over k is 1 to n, and it is curly Ri over curly Qj, curly Ri over curly Qk into Qj dot Qk dot. And let me recall this, because this is depending upon this way. So let me call this part as Ajk, means this whole of the part. If I call this as Ajk, then I can including m, or let me do one thing. It is, let me take this summation j and k outside and into 1 by 2 mi, I varies from 1 to n, and curly Ri, curly Qj, curly Ri over curly Qk, this part, and Qj dot and Qk dot, and let me call this whole of the part Ajk. Therefore, the kinetic energy can be written as, means this whole of the term, means this part is the Ajk, then T can be written as J varies from 1 to n and K varies from 1 to n, and it is Ajk Qj dot and Qk dot. So this is the expression for kinetic energy in terms of generalized coordinates, right? So this is the expression for it. So that's all for this lecture. Now in the next lecture I will talk about virtual displacement and the idea of virtual work. So that's all for this lecture.